Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, your emails are already answered, your meetings are scheduled, a report about your competitors is waiting in your inbox, and your next vacation has already been planned. You didn't hire an assistant, you didn't spend hours clicking through websites, and AI did it for you. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now with something called an AI agent. But what exactly is an AI agent? How is it different from ChatGPT? And why are companies investing billions of dollars into this technology? Let's break it down. Most people think ChatGPT is an AI agent. It is not. ChatGPT is incredibly smart. But after answering your question, it waits, you ask, it responds. Then it stops. Every new step requires another prompt from you. Now imagine asking, find the cheapest flights to Tokyo next month, compare hotels near the city center, create a 5-day itinerary, and send everything to my mail. Instead of waiting after every step, the AI starts working. It searches flights, compares prices, reads hotel reviews, creates the itinerary, formats everything. That's an AI agent. Instead of simply answering questions, it completes the task. Every AI agent follows 3 simple steps. Step 1. It understands your goal. For example, you say, plan my Tokyo trip. That's all you have to say. Step 2. It breaks the problem into smaller tasks. It might decide to search flights, compare hotels, estimate the budget, create a travel plan, just like a human would. Step 3. Act. This is what makes AI agents special. Instead of only generating text, they can actually use tools. They can search the web, read documents, query databases, run Python code, call APIs, or even interact with websites. After each action, they check the results. If something goes wrong, they adjust their plan and continue working until the objective is completed. Let's imagine you are a salesperson. Normally, your day looks like this. Search for potential customers, research each company, visit LinkedIn, write personalized email, schedule follow-ups. Now imagine giving an AI agent just one instruction. Find the top software companies in Texas with fewer than 500 employees. Research each one, write personalized outreach email, and prepare them for review. Within a minute, the agent gathers the information, analyzes it, writes the email, and prepares everything for you. You are no longer managing every step. You are managing the outcome. If you are a developer, this is where things become really exciting. Instead of building everything yourself, you can build teams of AI agents. It's almost like hiring your own digital team. Not yet. Sometimes they make mistakes. Sometimes they choose the wrong tool. Sometimes they repeat the same action. And because they use the AI models and external tools, costs can increase if they are not designed carefully. That's why production AI agents needs monitoring, guardrails, and human oversight. The way we interact with AI is changing. First, we search Google. Then we started asking ChatGPT. The next step is even bigger. We'll stop asking AI for answer and start asking AI to do work. That's exactly why AI agents are becoming one of the most important technologies. If you would like to learn how to build an AI agent using Python, CrewAI, or LangGraph, let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you understand AI agents, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI and Python content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.